Welcome to Meditate with Gurinder. Today we are going to meditate on being grateful for every day. So let's get started. You are beginning a beautiful guided meditation, and it's wonderful, and it's safe, and it's restoring. It's a calm meditative state of mind. So close your eyes and feel the lovely opening of the space around your heart. There is nothing for you to do to accept, relax, and enjoy. So make yourself comfortable and just breathe in and breathe out. Again, take another deep breath in and breathe out. See the balance. You are giving and receiving, giving your breath away and receiving a breath back, giving it away and receiving it back, because now you have balance, a beautiful perfect balance. And in this beautiful perfect balance that you are beginning to understand that you have the power to make every day a beautiful and a perfect day. And how do you make every day a perfect day? That's very easy. You start every day with gratitude. You wake up and go and say, it's a brand new day. This is not just another day. It's the one day that is given to you today. It is given to you as a gift, and it is the only gift that you have right now. So don't take single moment of your life for granted. At this very moment, someone is taking their last breath and would give up anything to live for few minutes on this earth. So the only appropriate response is gratefulness. Learn to respond as it is the first day in your life and the very last day. So open your eyes in the morning and be surprised that you have eyes that you can open, eyes that can see incredible array of colors that is constantly offered to us for pure enjoyment. Look at the sky and look how it is different from moment to moment. Every day you get a chance to start all over again. Feel gratitude for the simple things, because when you feel gratitude for little things, you are training your mind to be grateful. So imagine waking up tomorrow and being grateful that you have a bed, a pillow, a lovely sheets, a bed comfortable to sleep. Imagine being grateful, savoring your first coffee, really enjoying each and every sip, savoring the fact that you have home, savoring the fact that you have a job to go, savoring a fact that you have a child, a place to sleep, someone to loves me, and somewhere to go. If you have someone to love, something to do, and somewhere to go, Your life is already someone else's fantasy dream come true. So think about that. Someone in the world thinks of your life as their fantasy. Feel the gratitude to the nature, to the mountains, to the trees, to the plants, flowers, streams, rivers, oceans, waterfalls, sky, earth, the moon, sun, the stars, the galaxies, and the whole entire universe. Simple words like thank you, say thank you, and thank you. Repeat these words over and over again. Keep repeating thank you, and thank you. You may notice images just appearing in the movie screen of your mind. You may notice emotions getting stirred up within your heart. Just keep repeating thank you, and thank you. Allow the gratitude to grow and bask in the glow of gratitude. And when you are ready, slowly open up your eyes and each day think that every single moment of your life is a gift. Thank you.